Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video we're doing a full interior and exterior detail on my mother-in-law's van. She's been wanting me to detail for a while and she's been asking me how much, but I decided, you know what, don't even worry about paying me. I'll just do it. Sometimes you gotta try to be a nice person, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and do the full interior and exterior detail. If you guys do enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe for more future content. I got a lot of cool stuff coming this year yet. I know it because we got cool stuff happening. So I'm gonna give you guys a little walk around here before, and then we'll do an after, and probably some shots of while I'm cleaning it. So as you can see, it's really dusty, dirty, lots of dirt and grime. This is a gravel driven van, driven on gravel a lot. So we'll see what we can do with this. This is gonna just be my basic full interior and exterior detail. So moving on over to the inside here. Got a little bit of dirty door jams. A lot of rocks, dirt, grime, some stains. You know, typical, hasn't been cleaned in quite a while. Vehicle here. Passenger side here. Dash, just, you know, typical dust. Nothing crazy dirty. So here we got back seats. So there we go. There's the before. Alright guys, so I've now completed this full interior and exterior detail on this van. It's looking pretty good for what it is. Obviously it's an old van, it's not a new van. It's always driven on gravel, a lot of gravel. All all its life. So it gets pretty beat up, but for what it is, looks pretty good. Also just went ahead and did a quick buff on the headlights. That little touch. Those are the little things I do for my customers. You guys, quick little walk around here. As you guys saw, there was lots of bugs on the front end and dirt and grime before. Wheels and tires, got those cleaned up. Move on to the back here. All the dirt out of the back. That wheel, or the back, was just packed full of mud and dirt and grime. So that's all gone. Looking good. And over here, well, yeah. So there we go. That's the exterior, nice and clean. On the interior here, did a full vacuum, got some little minor stains out. I use a brush to go into little crevices. I don't wet the brush a lot. It's just like one little spray on the brush. I never spray into the vents or onto the dash or anything like that, because you never know if you could damage something. I have heard of people damaging stuff by spraying. You never know what's behind there, so just be careful. So yeah, there we go. Door jambs, door sills, all brushed down. That's one thing that I hate if detailers overlook, is the details. It's a detail. It's called a detail for a reason. Not just, hey, let's half-ass it and make it look half decent. No. If you get it, call yourself a detailer, be a detailer, and take care of the details. Seriously. Moving on to the driver's side here. Same thing, nice and clean. If you're wondering, yes, I did do back there too. I moved the seats forward, flipped them, whatever you want to call it. And I did clean back there. So yeah, when I do these details, I also do the inside and outside of windows. Everything gets done. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Quick little detail before and after for you guys. If you guys enjoyed it, please also give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe. Another thing, link is always in the bio for Rogue Lab's website. It's roguelabmfg.com. Pick yourself up some sick merch. We also have some pretty rad sticker packs. These ones here. And these. Sick, way cooler than I am. Go check them out. See you guys in the next one. Peace.